Imagine stepping into your garden and finding food waiting for you. No annual planting, no pampering, no stress, just fruits that appear, grow, and keep giving, exactly how our grandparents liked it. These are the 15 fruits that thrive on neglect and still deliver abundance. Farmers from older generations understood something modern gardeners often forget. The best crops are the ones that want to grow. They didn't have fancy fertilizers or drip lines. They grew foods that could survive droughts, poor soil, pests, and pure human laziness. Today we're reviving those forgotten gems, not just because they're nostalgic, but because they're practical, resilient, and unbelievably productive. Let's walk through the low-maintenance champions your grandparents trusted. Mulberries, a tree that grows like it's late for something. Birds love them, but there's always more than enough left for you. Guavas. Once established, these trees barely need water. Their roots dig deep and keep feeding you year after year. Pawpaw. Drop a seed anywhere warm, step back, and a tree appears. Zero fuss, fast fruit. Sugarcane. Stick a piece in the ground and it explodes with growth. Bananas. Plant one, get a whole family. They multiply without asking permission. Passionfruit. A vine that climbs anything and does it with attitude. Once it grips, it produces like crazy. Tree tomatoes. A forgotten favorite that fruits quickly and grows in rough soil. Loquats, drought-tolerant, pest-tolerant, human-tolerant, practically bulletproof. Cape gooseberries. They self-seed aggressively. One plant becomes a patch without your permission. Pineapples. Cut the top, plant it, and wait. Nature does the rest. Suriname cherries. A shrub that pumps out fruits with almost no care, loved in older homesteads. Pomegranates, they thrive in heat, neglect, and terrible soil. Almost unkillable. Raspberries, blackberries, they spread like wildfire. A small patch turns into an edible jungle. Custard apple. A favorite among grandparents because they fruit even when ignored. Banana passion fruit. A tough, fast-growing vine with fruit that tastes like vacation. These fruits don't just save labor, they create food security. They regenerate themselves. They handle climate extremes. And they let every beginner gardener win without constant work. When we grow these old-timers, we're not just planting fruit, we're restoring wisdom. This is slow food that grows fast and brings us back to a world where the garden fed the family, not the other way around. If this inspired you to revive a few forgotten fruits, give this video a like, share it with a gardener, and subscribe for more simple, powerful growing wisdom from Dirt Decoded.